Hello, guys. Today, we will listen and learn some vocabulary about my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Mr. Ahmed. He is my English teacher at school. He has been teaching me for 2 years. Every day, I am happy to go to his class. He is one of the best teachers I have ever had. Mr. Ahmed is very kind, friendly, and helpful. He always comes to class with a big smile on his face. He greets every student and asks us how we are. He speaks to us in a soft and clear voice. When he teaches, we all listen carefully. He makes learning fun and easy for everyone. He explains everything step by step. If a student doesn't understand, he explains it again with examples. He uses many things to help us learn, like pictures, flashcards, videos, and songs. Sometimes we play games in class and we laugh and enjoy learning at the same time. This helps us remember the lessons better. Mr. Ahmed is also very patient. He never shouts at students. He always listens to us, even when we make mistakes. He tells us that making mistakes is normal and that we should not be afraid to try. He gives us confidence to speak English and helps us improve slowly, day by day. He gives homework but not too much. He checks our work and gives us advice. When someone does well, he says, "Good job" or "Excellent." This makes us feel proud. When we make mistakes, he shows us how to correct them. He wants every student to do their best. Mr. Ahmed also talks to us about life. He teaches us to be honest, respectful, and kind. He tells us that education is important and that we can be successful if we work hard. He always encourages us to read more, ask questions, and never give up. Sometimes, when we are tired or sad, Mr. Ahmed tells us stories or jokes to make us smile. He really cares about his students. He is not just a teacher, but also a friend, a guide, and a role model. I like Mr. Ahmed very much. He made me love English. Before, I was shy and afraid to speak, but now I feel more confident because of him. I will always remember the things he taught me, not only about English but also about being a good person. In the future, I hope to become a teacher like Mr. Ahmed. I want to help others learn and grow, just like he helped me. He is truly my favorite teacher, and I will never forget him.